Let's open this up and then we're going to get stuck in. Oh, look in there. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks superb. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we've got a cracker. We've got a fantastic barbecue type chicken dish. It's superb. We're using chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs, but they've got the skin on. Now, first job, we've got to make a barbecue sauce. Now, we don't have to. If you have a barbecue sauce, you are ahead of us. But for us, we are going to make a barbecue sauce. So first job, in there with some ketchup. And we want to be going in there with some honey. Now we're going to do about a tablespoon of honey. We have about half a cup of ketchup in there. We want a good tablespoon of sriracha. So in we go. Oh, that's a good tablespoon right there. Smoked paprika, going in with about half a teaspoon. That is going to give us that really nice smoky flavour in there. About a tablespoon of brown sugar. About a tablespoon of, well, I'm just going to do just slightly more than that actually. I'm going to do about a tablespoon and a half of white vinegar. Good old American yellow mustard. We want about, half a teaspoon. A little smidgen of salt, not much. In there with some black pepper. About half a teaspoon of Worcester sauce. And we're going in with about quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to get a flame on. And we're going to cook all that in there together nice and gently. Don't have to rush this. Nice and straightforward. Now we're going to get this in here. All the flavors are going to come together and we're going to slightly thicken it, and that is our fantastic barbecue sauce. Smells amazing. Now, you don't have to go crazy with the cooking either, just a little, just so it starts to thicken, and then when it cools down, all those flavors are going to come together. Now that is okay. We're not going to go too thick on this because we want to brush over our chicken. We want a glaze. So that is going to thicken quite nicely. We just need to let that cool down. Okay, we got some boneless chicken thighs with skin on. We're going to put that down like that with the skin side down. We're going to give these a little bit of a bashing. So it's just a case of tap tap. Flatten them out a little bit, but don't destroy them. So it's nice and straightforward. We are going to do that with all our chicken thighs. We want some flattened chicken. Okay, we take our barbecue sauce and we're going to put a layer. So we're going to get some sauce on there, like that. So we just want a little bit of sauce on there. That's going to put our flavouring on inside that chicken. And we're going to let it marinate on here. And we're going to put a little bit of a filling in and roll it up. These are going to be delightful. It's going to give us a cracking flavour inside there with our filling. Oh, yes please. Now we can just stack that like that. Not a problem. And we got this other one here. Okay, that's our chicken. It's going to marinate for at least an hour. Nice and steady on there. Marinate it for an hour and we can just prep some more ingredients we're going to use as a filling inside. Right, we just need to put together a little bit of filling, and what we're going to do is put some tomato, onion and garlic in with some cheese, and we're going to wrap it in that chicken. So we just want some really nice diced tomato and diced onion and a little bit of garlic. Now obviously if you don't like garlic, just use the onion and tomato, and if you don't like onions or tomato, we can't help you. So it's just a case of small dice. Right, we need a little bit of onion in there. We want some flavour, don't we, you know? And the thing is with the onion, it's going to shrink completely in there. So just some nice little cubes of onion. I think that about got it actually. A little bit of garlic. Garlic of choice, but we want that flavour in here. So we're in there, look. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on this tray, and then this chicken's not going to stick to it, hopefully. It could do. And then what we're going to do is take the chicken and we are going to roll and stuff it. Right, we've got that. So let's just get some cheese in with our filling. It's just going to make it a lot easier. And actually we want a little bit of green, don't we? Let's get some parsley in here as well. Now it looks okay. That's got some colour in there. Fabulous. Let's make a start. Come on. In there. Well, I think that's a pretty good start to the job right there. And then we're going to take some of this processed cheese that you put on burgers, and that's going on the inside. Now that's a choice of yours. You can just go for a slice of cheddar or something like that on there if you want. Like I say, the choice is yours. Some people don't like the burger cheese. Okay, I have some toothpicks just in case we have to toothpick it together. And all we're doing basically is rolling that chicken. Now we're trying to achieve the skin on the outside, so you don't have to toothpick it if it will lie on its seam on the tray. Oh, this is a better one. Okay, there we are, we're wrapped up. All we're going to do is shove that in the oven. It's going in there for about 20-22 minutes, something like that, up to 25 minutes. Going to get a little bit of a crisp on there, then we're going to pull it out, put some barbecue sauce on and chuck it back in. There you go. Okay, we've got about 5 minutes to go on this chicken. We're going to barbecue sauce up the top. We're going to stick it back in and let this just caramelize a little bit on the top. How fantastic is that? That is perfect. Look at that, we've used it all up. Right, let's get that back in there for about 5 minutes. Oh, there's some cheese come out now. But look at that. That is sensational. They look absolutely fabulous. I mean, come on, my mouth's watering here. We're just going to let them have a couple of minutes and then we're going to chuck them on this board, serve them up. Okay, come on, let's get some of this served up. Oh, yes, please. Oh, look at this. Come on, we'll just dress it up a little bit with a little bit of parsley on there. It don't really matter, does it? We're just going to get stuck in on here. I think all we're going to do is cut into this one so you can see inside. I want to see inside, actually. Let's open this up and then we're going to get stuck in. Oh, look in there. Oh, look at that. perfectly cooked chicken. It's stuffed up inside there with our stuffing. Oh, that looks superb. Come on, we got to get in here and give this barbecue chicken a go. Absolutely, absolutely flavour bursting. Wow, that cheesiness inside there with that barbecue sauce on top. That is, oh, that is off the charts. That onion, the tomato inside there with the onion, that bit of parsley and that cheese. Let's break this up. Look how soft this chicken is. Look how tender. That is phenomenal. So there you are, that's our barbecue chicken roll-ups with that herby cheesy filling. Oh, come on. And that really, really tasty sriracha barbecue sauce. That is delicious. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them all about this barbecue chicken roll-up. It is sensational. Really flavour bursting, actually. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Oh, come on. Oh, looky in there. And cheese, look at that, our filling in there, look at that.